Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our camera is facing issues or having problems in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us make a right click here in our Windows icon and then go click on Device Manager. And for that, the device manager window will be coming up on our screen. Here we need to expand this or maximize this one. So we need to click on display adapters or camera. If you have camera, please click on that and then click this arrow here and you will see the driver for your camera that you're using. If you're also using an external drive for your camera, you will also be seeing that in here. So please click on the driver that you're using and then just make a right click on that and then just click this disable device button. And once you do that, disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? So just click on yes. And after doing that, just click on this action button here and then just click on scan for hardware changes. And once you do that, make again a right click on this one and then click on enable device. And after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's now working. Okay, so if it's still not working, then all we need to do is just to make a right click on it again and then click on update driver. So here we need to click this second option that says browse my computer for drivers. So please click on that and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And if you see other model or version here for your driver or camera driver, then please click on that, either the latest or the oldest. And then once you have selected now the model, then you can now click on next and it will now install the model of the driver that you have just chosen. Okay, and after doing that, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's already working. So if it's still not working, then we can do some troubleshooting. So here in the Windows search tab, please type troubleshoot and you will see under best match the troubleshoot settings. So please click on that. And then here we need to click on other troubleshooters. So you will see here in the other option or other section, the camera, and you will see the corresponding run button. So please click on this run button here and it will start diagnosing the problem. All you need to do is just to follow the steps that will be provided for the actions that needs to be taken. Okay, so after doing the troubleshooting, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.